Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos about stock market. Okay, so in this video I'll be teaching you a new intraday trading strategy which is without any indicators. Okay, so guys, in this strategy we will be not be using any indicators. Okay, and this is a very simple strategy. So as you guys have already know some intraday trading strategy with the open high, when the open high is same and open low is same. In the beginning of the day you check the open price of a stock, and if open high is same you will short sell the stock, and if the open low is same you will buy the stock. By keeping this method I have implemented other method by following the same formula. Okay, so I'll be teaching you that strategy in this video, which you can implement in any time of a day. Okay, so if you're following open is equal to high or open is equal to low formula strategy, you have to see in the beginning of a day itself, when the stock market opens at 9:15, you have to see that time and trade. But this is a different kind of integration where I have find the strategy you can use anytime in a day. Okay, so I'll be teaching you that strategy, so watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also, if you're new to stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in stock market trading and want to recover your losses and want to start making consistent profit, you can join my course today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of the latest and recent earning proof here in my blogspot, and if you guys are interested to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance. Also, I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also, if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you can earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also, I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. And also, just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said, now let me teach you the strategy itself. Okay, so these are the formula what you need to remember for this strategy. You have to find a candlestick being open and high is same, and open and low is same, and also close and low is same. Okay, so you have to find a candle being like this. Any candle at any time in a day, opening and high is same, and opening and low is same, and close and low is same. Okay, so you have to find any candle like this, any one candle like this. And I'll tell you how to pick a stock for this strategy also. You have to pick any stock above 150 rupees from Nifty 50, okay, which is having a good movement. Any stock above 150 rupees is fine, okay, from Nifty 50. Now let's see the strategy how it works. Okay, you can find it in any time in a day, and the candles time what we are using is a 15 minutes candle time frame, and you can find the candle being any time. Okay, open and high can be any candle and any time, and open and low can be any candle anytime, and close and low can be any candle in any time. It doesn't mean that it have to be in the first candle of the opening itself. Any time is fine. Okay, so now let me teach you the strategy itself. So here is the first candle where I found open and high is same. Okay, so this is a Tata Steel chart, and here you can see open and low is same here. So what you have to do is you have to mark this candle high and low. Okay, so let me just quickly mark it and show you. This is a candle high and this is a candle low, And now what you have to do is, if high breaks, you can buy the stock, and if the low breaks, you can short sell the stock. So here, as you guys can see, the low is almost like 731.25. so once the low got broke, the stock fell all the way down till 712. So from 731 to 712, so more than 2% or something like that, the target has been achieved here. Okay, so the safest target and stop loss will be like for 1% target and 0.5% stop loss for this strategy. Okay, so this is the first example. Now let me show you other example where you'll understand it more better. Okay, so here is a one more candle where close and low is same. Okay, so the high, low, close and open price can be seen here at the top. If you guys can observe, here it's changing. So this is a red candle. This is a 945 candle of Tata Steel on 25th of February. So here, if you guys can see, the low and close is same. Okay, so this is a new implementation what I've done. Close and low can be same, and you can pick that candle. Okay, now again the same thing you will do. You will mark that high of a candle and low of a candle. If the high breaks, you are buying it, and if the low breaks, you are short selling it. So here, as you guys can see, the high got broke. Okay, and it went all the way up. Okay, so the high was 746.5 and it made a high of 752.95. so 0.5% target is also achieved here, if you guys can see. Okay, so yes, this is one of another example for close and low being same. So now let me show you other examples too, so that you guys will understand the strategy even more better. So yeah, there will be a formation like that anytime in a day, but you need to wait and observe it. Okay, so you need to put in a 15 minutes candle chart and observe that kind of formation to happen. So here this chart, if you see this candle, here also the open and low is same. Okay, so this is a small green candle where the open and low is same. So in this candle, you have to mark both the high and low. Okay, whichever side it gives a breakout, you can take it according to it. This seems to be a very powerful candle, a small candle which has been formed with open and low being same, and high was 693.35. so if you bought it around 693.35, once this high breaks, you can see how the stock has performed very well. Okay, 693.35 and it went all the way up till 635.95. okay, 735.95. okay, it has performed very well. The high made is 735.95. okay, so this is how the strategy is working and performing. So you have to mark the high and low once you find this kind of formation, and you can keep a buffer price when you're entering. For example, if the high is 693.35, you can buy it at 693.45. okay, as I said you, the safest target will be 1% and the stop loss will be 0.5%. and if you want to be more careful and more safer, you can keep 0.5% target and stop loss also, so that the 0.5% target will be achieved quickly and safely in any kind of market situation, depending on how the stock is moving. Okay, so I showed you the one more example. So if you want one more example, I'll show you that, and you guys can practice this strategy. Okay, this is having a decent amount of accuracy, and if you guys wish to learn more accurate strategies and want to learn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. Okay, so here, if you can see, this is one more candle with the close and low being same. The close is 686.3 and the low is 686.2. just 10 paisa difference is there, but you can still consider, and you can mark the high and low of a candle. Here you can see the low got broken first. The low was 686.2, and as you can see, at the end of the day, it made a low of 679.3. target was achieved here. Okay, so yes, this is how the strategy is working, and you guys can see how it is, and you guys can practice this. Okay, so this is a formula. I'll show you again. You have to find any candle being open high is same and open low is same and close and low is same. So whenever you find a candle like this in 15 minutes time frame, just mark the high and low of that particular candle and wait for its breakout, and keep 10 paisa buffer. Okay, and whenever it's breaking a high, you will buy it, and whenever it's breaking a low, you will short sell it, and keep the target and stop loss. And you can practice this strategy from today, and let me know how you feel about this strategy. Okay, And also, if you guys are new to my channel, you can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of this videos and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.